Staying local in foster care is important. For me, it wasn't necessarily about staying where I grew up. What really mattered was staying with my siblings. When we were placed in foster care, my brother and I were together for a while, and my 2 sisters were placed together as well. But eventually, we were all separated and scattered across Wales. The emotional impact of that separation was huge. Having my siblings close would have made such a difference. We were each other's support system, and in foster care, those bonds become even more crucial. Being separated from them was one of the hardest parts of my experience. So for me, keeping siblings together should always be a priority. It helps young people feel less alone, and it gives them the emotional support they need during such a difficult time. Staying local does have its benefits. It's about the relationships and connections that young people need to thrive.